In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play cricket on your MetaQuest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and play a cricket-like game available natively on the MetaQuest 3. So you will be able to acquire the game directly through the MetaQuest store on your headset, and afterwards you will be able to experience the full cricket game. So all that you have to do is go over to the MetaQuest store, either through the website as I'm demonstrating here, where you can sign into your Meta account, or you can do this process directly on the actual MetaQuest 3. Regardless, when you go over to the store, all that you have to do is look for IB Cricket. As you can see, it has more than 1,000 ratings and it costs $29.99. This is going to be the most cricket experience that you can find on your MetaQuest 3 headset. And because it is natively available, you will be able to acquire it and start playing right away. As you can see, it supports touch controllers and it requires an internet connection. You will be able to acquire the game and there are plenty of modes. As you can see, you have numerous bowling options, intelligent field based on built-in AI, multiple stadiums, PvP, leagues and tournaments, so it is a completely optimized game to give you the best cricket experience possible. Like I said, all that you have to do is visit the MetaQuest store and look for IB Cricket. You will be able to customize everything and start playing according to your own preferences. So, you will be able to find it on the MetaQuest store when you look for cricket. It is going to be under the apps and games category, and it should be the first one to pop up with 4.5 stars and more than 1,000 ratings. So make sure that you acquire the game using your Meta account or do it directly on your console and you will be able to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play cricket in your MetaQuest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.